Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome back to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today, we're doing a big feel-good stretch to help your whole body feel long, loose, and happy. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you can stretch with us every day. Let's begin. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall, bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Front leg straight, torso leaning over it. One arm up and one arm down. Chest open. Alternate between left and right. Standing with legs straight and hips facing forward, fold your torso over the front leg, keeping both legs long and strong. The spine stays long. Hands can rest on the shin, floor, or blocks. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand with legs wide. Fold forward from the hips, hands on the floor or legs, legs straight and strong. Lie on back, arms in T-shape. Lower both legs to one side while keeping shoulders on the mat. Alternate sides left and right. Let's take 30 seconds to breathe. Sit comfortably, place hands on your chest, and take slow, gentle breaths. Inhale and exhale. Let your body enjoy this big stretch feeling. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You stretched your whole body and did such a wonderful job today. If you liked this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves stretching too. See you next time. Namaste.